Hi guys, the Frugal Gal here with another. I am cleaning out this RV I live in, and I need stuff to be sold and got rid of because I've collected too much stuff. Anyway, these are some embroidered, I think they're vintage scarves, like table scarves. It's got a cute little puppy dog with a teacup on it. This one is probably more of a tablecloth. Small one. This is a table runner, and then this one's like a table runner. I bought these in a bag, and I got what I wanted out of the bag, the pieces that I wanted. So these are free to the first person who says, hey, I want those. They're free. I want them. Give them to me now in the comments. So just tell me when I'm free. You just have to pay the shipping, or I'll put them in if you've purchased other things. This is a little, one of those little silver-toned jewelry boxes. The inside was lined like with felt. It came out. It does say Japan on the bottom of it. Yeah. So I have this on my $3 group. For $3, I would sell this for $2. Okay. Just to remind you, I still have these books for $1. This one about the Kellogg brothers. This is called American Cookery. It's one of the first cookbooks. I should have said the last one that was printed in the United States. It's a rephotocopied of that. Better Homes and Garden, Best Buffets, old one. This one mixes music with cooking, I don't know. Creole cooking, Better Homes and Garden. Of course, they made a whole sets of these. This is the snack and refreshment ones. This is the day's tips for easy living. This lady was on the Today Show a lot in the 70s and 80s. And so it's more than just recipes. Okay, those are all $1 a piece. I have this. I was into for a while. I don't know why. I couldn't help myself. I started buying these trivets. Is that how you say it? Anyway, this one says, what's it say? Old Coach House. Woolhampton, I guess is what it says. Then you put your keys right here. This one is, it's a tile. You know what they put inside this? This one's made in Japan. Take $2 for this. It's pretty heavy because this is like cast iron. I have a BETSY Johnson purse. Yes, I said a BETSY Johnson purse. I was going to list this for sale, and I might have it for sale somewhere. The strap for it is inside of it, or you can carry it as a handbag. Inside looks like this. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Those are roses, I do believe, on the inside. Let me see. Yeah, there's roses on the inside. Sorry, you guys can't see. There's an inside pocket there. Place to put your cell phone. I take $10 for that. BETSY Johnson purse. It says BETSY Johnson right there. And it is a real BETSY Johnson because I looked it up. Okay, now I have some books over here. This Sarah Coventry book is a book, of course, on Sarah Coventry jewelry. Paperback. I would take $4 for this. It's really nice. You can see all the pictures. And it tells you what dates they're from and stuff. And I probably should keep this, but I never get it out and look at it, so... This is a 1005 salt and pepper shakers, so if you're into collecting salt and pepper shakers or selling this, or you want to resell the book, that's $2. And then this is a hardback Fire King book about Anchor Hawking's Fire King, the different ones. I'll take $3 for that. So 3, 2, and what did I say on this, 4? Alright, there's some more stuff for sale. Just leave a comment down below if you like it. I invoice via PayPal. I need your email in order to invoice you. I plan on invoicing probably Friday. This Friday. So, if you order anything off my group, Facebook group, or more on here, I, of course, I ship it, actual shipping. Books are cheap to ship because I go media mail. Thanks, guys. Bye.